Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make sweet potato fries. For the ingredients, you're going to need some sweet potatoes, cornstarch, salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and some Cajun seasoning. Start off by taking one potato and cutting off the ends, and then you're just going to peel it. Do the same to the other potatoes, and then put it in a bowl and wash thoroughly. Cut the potato in half, and then you're going to want to cut it into slices. You may cut them into steak slices or thin slices, but just make sure that they're even so that they can cook evenly. Preheat the oven to 425 degrees. Get a big Ziploc bag and place all the potatoes inside. Put about 5 tablespoons of cornstarch into the bag. And then shake it up. Make sure that all the potatoes are coated. Next, you're going to want to get about 4 to 5 tablespoons of vegetable oil and then place it into the bag. Then season with some black pepper, some salt, garlic powder, and Cajun seasoning. Then you're going to want to close the bag and shake it all up again. Get a baking sheet pan, and then you're going to place the potatoes onto the pan, making sure not to crowd it. Place it into the oven and then set timer for 20 minutes. Once the timer has gone off, then you're going to want to flip the potatoes over. Bake for another 10 minutes. The sweet potato fries should be ready and crispy. Go ahead and plate them. And that's it. Enjoy!